Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a day in my life, and today is my birthday, so I'm super excited. But I do have class this morning, and I also do have an optional lab to attend in preparation for my Anastasia OSCE next week. So I will be going to do that. And then I do have a fun night planned with a lot of my friends. Even though my birthday is different than how I imagined it, it's still gonna be a lot more fun, I feel like, because I'm spending it with my classmates and my friends who have helped me throughout this entire journey into becoming a veterinarian, so it's gonna be really nice. We are going to the award ceremony tonight because one of my friends is getting an award. I'm so thrilled for her. And then afterwards we are going out for drinks, probably at Container Park. It's gonna be a really fun night. And instead of like the traditional birthday celebrations, like a cake or something, I decided to just join a waterfall adventure tomorrow. It's at Annandale Waterfalls. Let's get this day started. I have a lot of work to do before tonight starts. I have to get through all of the lectures I missed yesterday and then the lectures today. Let's get to work. I am back from my anesthesia lab. It went pretty well, and before that I was just studying in Lower Taylor, which is the cubicle area where you saw me at first in this video. And then I did go to the dock on campus just to take a break from studying for a second. I'm feeling a little bit better about how I'm going to do next week on my OSCE, so that's really great. But now I'm going to start getting ready for tonight. I am going to go ahead and take a shower, get some food, and start to get ready. I am about to head out for the award ceremony and hang out with my friends later. It feels a little bit weird to be dressed up, honestly, but it feels kind of nice to be. But before I do go to the award ceremony, I am dropping some stuff off at my friend's place because I am moving apartment soon, so I need to get all of my stuff out of here and move into my new apartment next term. I need to start doing that. It's gonna be a really fun evening. I'm looking forward to it. I survived my birthday day. It was a lot of fun. I had a great time going to the award ceremony, getting all dressed up, and going out for drinks afterwards with my friends. Honestly, it turned out better than what I had originally planned, so I'm really happy that I was able to go and just enjoy my time because it's been a rough couple of weeks, so I really needed to be around people that just wanted to celebrate the day with me. I did have classes in the morning, but it wasn't too bad, and I did have my anesthesiology, like, OSCE practice in the morning. It went pretty well. Tomorrow is kind of my birthday gift for myself. I joined the Alliance Animal Health company to go to the Annandale Waterfalls at night, so it's gonna be really beautiful, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm going with one of my friends, so it'll be a really nice night and just an enjoyable weekend before our final exams really start. I will put that footage at the end of me talking in this portion just so you can see how it looks. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more, and I will catch you all in the next week's vlog.